Michelle is ready. Wow, you like it?
Dog.
This is from Tata.
Dog.
Bigay ni Tata niya. Dog. You know, you're not a dog. You're a pretty baby. Princess. You're going to... Yung susuotin niya ay red.
May kuyok siya.
Tapos meron siyang Santa hat.
May kuyok siya.
Yes. Ayan, wear this one, Ishael. This is Ishael's outfit of the day. Wow! Be? Cute guys, Ishael.
Eko!
Si Inchong ay ready na siya. Na si Inchong. Are you ready with your Christmas party?
Yes.
This is Ishael's exchange gift. Exchange gift. Ayan. Ito yung pang exchange gift ni Ishael. Yung iba ay ito kay ate. This is for ate's Christmas party exchange gift din. Ayan. Ano mo ging oh? Ano? Next week na. Go.
Another ponytail. Another ponytail. Another ponytail.
Yay! Very good. Palakpak eh. Ato sa saninaan si Ishael be. Okay, go! Ishael wants to sing. Ay, hala, yung sanina. Wait.
Ponytail.
Yay! Palakpakan, Chong! Palakpakan! Baby ponytail.
It's the rainbow. It's rainbow.
Sing o kuan, Chong. Feliz Navidad.
Tingle bells, jingle all the way. All the bunnies go riding on the super sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, all the way. All the bunnies go ride the super sleigh.
O, kanta Feliz Navidad. Dito. Tagay siya tindi kay kanta siya. Dito lang tindi dili.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. And jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun that is the right one is the first way. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun that is the right one is the first way. Hey, like,
Michelle, sing o kuan. Michelle, say Merry Christmas. Sige, go.
Merry Christmas.
Sige, go.
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Michelle.
Paano ba?
We're going to our Christmas party. Ato may Christmas party ni Michelle. Ano kaya rin mo to? Michelle. Tayo.
So we have 14 contestants sa ating best in costume attire sa kids category. Ikaw kami, sa camera, ikaw ka. Tawag lang mo ka. So next, ang araw na. Sige, ready na ako. Si Kai, ikaw Kai! Iha!
Asa lang ako sa lang bata.
Ikaw din! Ikaw din! Ikaw princess! Ako din, mama ako. Ikaw po! Wow!
Video dito.
Video.
Ano to usa? Ay.
Hi everyone. Happy kami mamuma.
So, sige, tatapang parents.
Okay, gisi ah. Bahay na kami. We are home. Yeah. Open di siya.
Okay, I'll open ko.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah, Bri.
try to open her present.
At eto nga pala yung natanggap ni Israel sa kanyang exchange gift. Hindi na namin binuksan doon kasi marami kaming dala guys. Thank you so much nga pala sa LCP kasi ang dami naming nabit-bit. At ayan, thank you very much everyone. Merry Christmas!